In this episode of Design with the Rose in Canva, we will be designing a logo in Canva. And you're looking at three different variations of logos on my screen. These were designed in Canva, and I'm going to show you how you could go about doing that right now in Canva. It's me again, Mon. Let's do this. So I'm gonna go here to open a new menu in Canva, and we're gonna go to design a logo. So we're gonna click on create new design, and we're gonna search for that which we want. And you see you have different kind of logos that you could make. Okay, we're gonna make a logo that's similar to one of the logos that I have here on the screen. So this is 500 by 500 the measurement, and that's in pixels. Now, as you can see right here, it shows things that I recently used for my logos, and here goes the suggestions that came back from Canva. And there are a lot of logos here that you could design your logo using the template. Again, you could choose from, as you can see, circles, whether your business be a food brand. You have logos that you could choose from, health and wellness. Maybe your logo is beauty, skincare. Maybe you're a hairstylist. Maybe like me, you're a digital marketer, digital creator. You are able to design a logo. So we're gonna choose one that is nice and simple, and we're just gonna go ahead and edit it. Now, okay, so I like this one right here. They have two variations. Let's go ahead and click on that, because maybe again you have a vacation business. Okay, like you heard that reggae music playing. Maybe you have a travel agency or a travel club that you market. You're able to design your logo right here in Canva. So pretty much what you would do, you you see it's already selected here. You would select your font, okay, because you want to edit this to your brand font. You will come over here, and you could search for the font that you need here under fonts. Whatever it is that your font is, if it's in Canva, that would come up. Okay, so let's go here to this font, okay, and we're gonna choose that. Of course, we're gonna name it different. So at one point when I did travel, my travel club was Dallas Travels, and we did travel and save thousands of dollars. I'm gonna go ahead and name the logo right here. And I'm also gonna name the logo right here for reference. Like when I download it, I'd be able to find it on the computer. So again, if you're intimidated by design and this is something you want to outsource, I have two pro in-house that can design your logo for you. Just go ahead and reach out to us in the comment below or send us a business email. I myself like to focus on the marketing side of business. So look, Dallas Travels, we're gonna go ahead and of course change the color. For me, I love, shades of blue. Well, let's see what that look like being that is your logo. So I'm gonna go with a darker shade of blue right there, and you'll see that it's selected right there. Also note that you have the code to the color, the X code, so you could always write this down, or if you already know your color, great, or you could copy that. Also, a cool feature that I learned right here from watching training inside of the Canva account is this needle right here. You could get your choose a color right outside of the other colors, and that's pretty cool. Now we would want a different image. Okay, so assuming that you have an image already, you would delete that and put your image. But if not, you could always go here and you could find an image. Okay, and let's just find an image that we like, and let's go with this one for now. You know, I got my logo designed, and my logo actually had an island with a palm tree. That was my vision, right? Dallas travel. So travel more, pay less. That's what my tagline would be. Travel more, pay less. So again, this is just to show you that you can actually quickly, without graphic design experience, edit a logo here in Canva. So we're gonna change this, and I'm gonna use the needle to show you how you could actually get a color here for travel more, pay less. Also in Canva, you you do see the photo colors here that you're working with, but again, you may have your own brand color already that you want to use. Awesome. So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna grab the needle, and I'm gonna choose this darkish color right there. So ta-da, we have our logo. You could play around if you want to. You could play around some more with that. You could edit the image right there. Okay, you have different filters. Okay, let's see. Okay, I like that. You could also set it to the level of intensity you'd like it to be, and you could play around with that. To me, graphic design is truly like a child playing. So that's that first variation. Now this is the second variation of the same Dallas travels. Okay, and I'll name that too. So this darker background would work great on a lighter background. So with it being on here, I would most likely want to use a lighter shade, and we could go with it for me having the same color right there. The next thing, you could also put effects on the text. So you see the text here is highlighted. Okay, and then we're gonna go here and select effects, and if you click shadow, this is what happens, and you have the range as to how you want to offset the direction you want the shadow to go in. Do you see how it move? Right here in the back is the shadow. You have the blur feature, and transparency. How transparent do you want the shadow to be? And you see, if we were to go to the right, how the words look more fuller with the shadow behind it. We have the lift, the same. You have intensity. You know, lift is one of my faves here in Canva. You have the hollow, and this font is pretty cool. As you thicken it, you see your words get thicker, and of course, you could see your background color through your words. Splice. This one you could add another color within that color, which is pretty cool. Okay, and that's what it would look like. Let's go back here to effects, and this is also one of my favorite, the outline color. And definitely I felt the vacation vibe. I felt the tropical vibe with changing just the outline on tropical resort. But let's go ahead and make this Dallas Travelers, because that was my travel club. And like I said, we did travel with that, and that's how we learned about South Carolina, and we're blessed to now live in South Carolina, about 45 minutes from the ocean. And we do get to spend our winter months here uh, on the beach. So that's pretty cool. So travel more, pay less. And if you're watching this and you have a vacation, club, home business, I'd love to hear more about that. I do research such. So I went ahead and I made this bold, okay? Again, uh, and you could make it not bold, okay? So we'll make the so your slogan, you could make that bold or not bold in this case, and we're gonna choose again the font that I use, Montserrat, and make that semi-bold or bold. We'll go with semi-bold, or we'll go with bold. Okay. Again, we're gonna change this. We're gonna use the graphic that we already use. It should be right in here already. Under recently used, okay, and we're gonna put that right in the middle. And we did edit the image, so we want to go back and do the same thing that we did before, and we use this one, and I like it because it's bright. So this is how you will create your logo right in Canva, and keep it simple. Now this one with the white background, you would use it against a darker website, and this one with the dark background, you would use it against a lighter website to create that contrast. Now with the pro version of Canva, you can, when you're downloading this logo, you can actually make it transparent. And this is where you would do that, where it says transparent background, and you would go, and we're gonna just download the one because I want you to see what it would look like transparent. And we download that, okay, and I'm gonna show you, upload that, and let you see what it looked like with the background being transparent. Remember, first it was blue, and it's gonna be transparent. So I want to show you, this is what the logo that we created looked like, and I went ahead and uploaded. You could see it right here, and this is the one that was transparent, and they're now both on the canvas here in Canva, and this is what it looks like. So we had went ahead and downloaded this one, and we downloaded it as being transparent. So this is it as being transparent. It does not have a background, so to speak. And how else can you remove the background? Well, you can simply click on the edit image and click background remover. Know that you do need Canva Pro, and that's what these little crowns right here are for. It's depicting that we have Canva Pro. So I click on background remover, and you see how simple it is to make this look like this one. Again, those are both pro features: transparent background when you're downloading your file, or removing background. So this is pretty cool, and this logo here was made in Canva. I'd love for you to leave your comment below. Did you learn anything new, and what logo will you design? Be sure to leave a comment, and be sure to like, subscribe, and share.